If your Android phone is echoing during phone calls, here's a couple of steps to get rid of that. When echoing happens during phone calls, the first step is usually to figure out who is echoing. If you hear your own voice echoing during the call, the problem is not your phone. It's actually the other person's phone picking up your voice from the speaker and then feeding it back to you. So, if you're hearing your own voice echoing, just ask the other person to lower their speaker volume or plug in headphones, and that'll fix it. Now, if the other person hears their own voice echoing, then the problem is your phone. And the most common reason for that is actually third-party protective phone cases. These cases sometimes block the tiny noise-canceling microphone pinhole, which is usually located on the very top edge of your phone or next to the rear camera bump. When that mic gets blocked, Android isn't able to measure the background noise, which completely breaks the built-in echo cancellation algorithm. So, take off the case, make a test call, and if the echo stops, that means your case is interfering with that microphone. Another thing to do would be to just lower your call volume. If you're talking on speakerphone and it's loud enough, it's going to feed the voice back into the microphone. So just use the volume buttons to lower the volume to around 50 or 60% and check if that makes the echo go away. If that still didn't help, one thing to check would be to turn off Wi-Fi calling. To do that, you'd go to your settings, and then under Connections or Network and Internet, depending on what type of Android phone you have, you'll have a toggle for Wi-Fi calling. If you can't find it because the menus are a little different between different Android phones, you could use the search and just type Wi-Fi calling and it'll show up in the results. Wi-Fi calling can sometimes cause the audio packets to desync, which then confuses Android's digital audio filter. So that's another thing to test. Turn it off and see if that improves your phone calls. If you own a Pixel phone, Google actually has a dedicated AI filter built exactly for this issue. You'd go to Settings and then Sound and Vibration and find the option that says Clear Calling. If you turn this on, it'll reduce any kind of background noise during your calls, and it can also help with phone call echo. Anyways, one of those steps will usually help you get rid of echo on your Android phone. Usually, it's the phone case, so I'd start with that. Let me know how it goes, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.